In this lecture, we'll set up the checkout option for Woocommerce. So to do so, just click on Checkout tab right up here. Now the first option says enable the use of coupons, and we do want to enable that so that we can give coupons to different users, and when they put in that coupon code, they get 10% or 20%, whatever discount they want, so they can get that. Fine. So if you want that, you can enable this thing, and in this lecture also, itself we'll see both the checkout options and coupon options. Now here is the checkout process. If you want to enable the guest checkout, make sure it is enabled, and I highly recommend this, which this is very important. And now you have to just recheck whether everything is fine. Cart page should be selected to cart, checkout page should be checkout. Terms and conditions, if you want, you can create a page, terms and conditions, right, just type in your terms and conditions which you have, and you can link your page from here if you want. Not necessary, but if you want, you can do that. And after you've done all these changes, just click on save changes. Now before proceeding to different checkout options, now let's first see the coupon code. So just click on coupon from here. Okay, now we have to add a coupon because we don't have any coupon codes right now. So right at top, as you can see, there's a button which says add coupon. Just click on that. Now you have to put in the coupon code right up here. For example, suppose you want to offer 25% off, then you can select 25 off. This kind of coupon code you can make, and in description you can write the description about this coupon code. Get 25% off on the total amount. Okay, now here we have to do some settings. Discount type, percentage discount or fixed cart discount, what kind of discount it is. So this is percentage discount because we are giving 25% off. Now the coupon amount, you have to select the coupon amount. Okay, so we are selecting 25%. Allow free shipping. If you want, you can check this, and you can also set an expiry date. For example, 31st of this month, we can set the expiry date. Usage restriction, minimum speed, maximum minimum spend, maximum spend, but the minimum how much amount should be there so that the user can get that 25% off. So suppose I say minimum he have to purchase for $100, only then he's eligible for that 25% off, and maximum $1,000. So that maximum only up to $1,000 he can get 25% off. Okay, individual use only, check this box if the coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons, and this is highly recommended because we don't want a user to use 25% coupon and then again we have another coupon code which gives 30% coupon. Then what happens is he ultimately will get 55% off on the product, which may incur some loss for you. So make sure this is selected so that you can just use any one of these coupon codes. Exclude sale items, yes, make sure it is there. Why? Because sometimes you are offering products on sale 10%, 20%, 30%, and on top of that, if someone uses a coupon code, then again the same thing happens. 30% sale plus 30% coupon code, he gets a 60% off for the product. Now you can select product. Suppose you want only this coupon code eligible only for some specific product, then you can type in the name of the product and that product will appear over here and you can select that product. But because we haven't created any product, then we won't get any option over here. You can exclude some products. For example, suppose you're dealing in jewelry or some kind of product, some expensive product, then obviously you will be a super fool to give 25% off on those kind of products. So you can exclude those products. Just type in the name of the product, that product will appear over here and you have to select that product. You can select the categories for which you want to offer this coupon code, this discount, and you can exclude some categories also, and you can exclude some email also, no restriction or email restriction, whatever you want. Usage limit per coupon you can set to 1, means a user can use this coupon code only once. Okay, now it says limit usage to X items. How many items can this coupon code be used on? So suppose you set 2 items, then if he purchases 2 items, then he can get that discount. Usage limit per users, obviously it should be 1. That is only one time that coupon code could be used by a single user. So once you are done with all these settings, you can just click on publish. Okay, now when we come to the cart page in the demo website, here this is the option for coupon code, and now when the user puts in that coupon code 25% off and click on the apply coupon, the rate will decrease over here. Okay, so this is also very important, it helps you in marketing your product, in marketing your website. So this is very important according to me. Now again, coming back to the checkout option, so under WooCommerce, select settings, and under settings select checkout. Now suppose you want to accept bank account transfer, then you can select these options, BACS. This is obviously not preferable by me. I don't recommend this, because when will the user transfer amount in your bank account, and when will you come to know? But still, if you want this option, you can just click on enable and just put in your bank account name, account number, bank name, IFSC code, and this kind of stuff. I don't recommend this one, but if you still want this, you can enable this. Then you have check payments. Again, this is not recommended. Cash on delivery, if you want to enable cash on delivery, then you can just enable cash on delivery. Okay, just click on save changes. Okay, now the final option, the PayPal option, just click on PayPal. First click on enable PayPal standard, then you can select a title PayPal, then there is a description, pay via PayPal. You can also change this title and description. PayPal email, make sure this is very important. This is your PayPal email, the email address on which the PayPal account is activated. So whenever some user purchases some product and transfers that money, then that money will come to this email address. Okay, leave these options, these are not important. Receiver email address, make sure the email address is correct, very important. Now these are the 3 options which are very important. Okay, now let me tell you where will you get all this API username, password and signature. For that, open PayPal in a new tab, log into your PayPal account, scroll down, and at the left side you will see seller preferences under selling tools. Just click on seller preferences. A new page will pop up and you will get so many different options, as you can see right up here. Here there's an option called API access. Okay, here it is, API access, and beside that there is all buttons. So besides the API access, there is an update button. Just click on that. Now here there are 2 options. First one is to add or edit API permission, and the second one is to view the API signature. Now what you have to do is click on view API signature. Now here you have to confirm that you are the PayPal account owner. So you have 2 options, whether you want to receive an email address or an automated phone call on your registered mobile number. So I'm selecting the receive an email address. Select the mobile number. This is the mobile number. Now click on continue. Okay guys, so once you confirm your account number, you'll get 3 options right up here. API username, password and signature. You can just click on show. You'll get your username. Just copy it from here, go back to your dashboard, paste it. Similarly, copy and paste your password and signature over here. Okay, so click on password, copy it, paste it over here, signature, copy and paste it over here. Now click on save changes. So with this we have completed the checkout option, and in the next lecture we'll be creating new products. I'll show you how to create different kind of products, simple product, variable products, sale product and different kind of products. So see you guys in the next lecture.